So he said, I would like to is the professor of the translation department.
In my case, it's the second time. We're learning a lot about the social things, about the regulation, about.
And I work here this week at Zamania. Zamania ما كتبني ويجي يعني زماني كتبني أو شيء وقت مثلا ما تروح شكرا. And also we had some agreements with some cultural institutions.
En el nostre país, formar-se en l'especialització i en els seus estudis particulars serveix sobretot per també polititzar-se i començar a university or is only a little part about volumes.